It all begins with the perfect russet potato, precisely selected from the deep volcanic soil of the Pacific Northwest. The journey to the Golden Arches begins. Immediately, the raw potatoes meet the industrial flow. The skin is softened using a brief, intense blast of softened. Rotating tumblers gently scrub away the loosened peel, ensuring minimal waste. Every potato is rigorously inspected for perfection. The potato fed into the hydro door cutting system, where high-pressure water is the ultimate knife. The crucial step, a unique bath that locks in color and flavor for the journey ahead. The dextrose, a natural sugar, is applied to guarantee that perfect, consistent golden. The fries are par-fried, partially cooked to set their texture, creating that protective, crispy outer shell. This stage is scientifically monitored to ensure the consistency of every batch.
And a crunch jerk from the salt delicious.
Flash frozen to lock in the freshness and halt the cooking process. Ready for their journey, the consistency is sealed into every single bag.
Have you ever ripped open a bag of your favorite potato chips and wondered how these perfectly crispy, golden slices of magic are made? Well, today we are going on a journey, from a humble potato in the ground to the delicious snack you can't get enough of. Get ready, because this is the complete story of how potato chips are made. Our story begins before the sun even peeks over the horizon. Here, on these vast, sprawling fields, is where it all starts. Look at that soil, rich and dark, the perfect cradle for our star ingredient. As dawn breaks, the farm comes alive. Teams of skilled workers begin the harvest, carefully unearthing thousands of fresh, firm potatoes. Each one is a small promise of the crunch to come. There's a certain satisfaction in seeing them pulled from the earth, isn't there? They're collected into large crates, ready for the first leg of their journey. A massive truck waits, and soon it's filled to the brim with nature's bounty, setting off for a state-of-the-art facility where the real transformation will begin. The truck arrives at a massive, modern food processing factory. This place is a marvel of engineering, designed for one purpose: to turn raw potatoes into perfectly crafted chips. As the doors open, we step into a world of stainless steel, humming machinery, and the faint, earthy scent of potatoes. The first stop is the washing station. The potatoes are gently tipped onto a conveyor belt that carries them into a tunnel of high-pressure water jets. This isn't just a gentle rinse, it's a powerful spa treatment that blasts away every speck of dirt and soil, leaving them sparkling clean and ready for their makeover. Now that they're clean, it's time to get undressed. The potatoes move along to the peeling machine. This incredible device is a spinning drum lined with a brace of rollers. As the potatoes tumble around inside, their skins are gently but quickly rubbed off. It's so efficient, peeling hundreds of pounds of potatoes in just minutes, far faster than any of us could do in our own kitchens. What emerges are smooth, pale potatoes, perfectly prepared for the next, most crucial step. From the peeler, they travel to the slicing section. This is where the magic really starts to happen. They are fed into an industrial slicer, a machine with razor-sharp, rotating blades. In the blink of an eye, whole potatoes are transformed into a cascade of uniformly thin slices. Look at that close-up. Each slice is precisely the same thickness, which is the secret to achieving that consistent, satisfying crunch in every single chip. They fall like delicate wafers onto the next conveyor, looking fresh and full of potential. But before they can hit the fryer, they need a quick bath. This is the blanching stage. The slices briefly pass through a trough of hot water. This isn't to cook them, but to wash away excess starch from their surface. Removing this starch is key, as it prevents the chips from sticking together during frying and helps them achieve that beautiful golden color instead of turning too dark. Immediately after their hot water dip, they travel under a series of powerful air blowers. This dries off any surface moisture, ensuring they enter the fryer perfectly prepped for their big moment. And what a moment it is! Welcome to the heart of the factory, the deep fryer. This isn't just a pot of oil. It's a massive, continuous fryer, a flowing river of perfectly heated vegetable oil. As the potato slices enter, the whole thing erupts in a glorious sizzle. Just listen to that sound. In stunning slow motion, you can see the bubbles furiously dancing around each slice, wicking away moisture and transforming it from a soft slice into a crispy, golden chip. They float to the surface, now lighter and crunchier, slowly making their way to the end of their hot oil swim. The color change is just beautiful to watch. Once they emerge from the fryer, golden and triumphant, they're not quite ready. They are lifted onto a special vibrating conveyor belt. This gentle shaking helps to drain any excess oil, ensuring the final chip is crispy and light, not greasy. Quality is everything, and this step is vital. Now for the fun part, the flavor. The freshly fried, unseasoned chips tumble into a giant, rotating drum. As they gently turn, a delicate shower of seasoning rains down upon them. Whether it's classic sea salt, tangy barbecue, or creamy cheese, this drum ensures every single chip gets an even coating of delicious flavor. It's like a flavor waterfall, and it's mesmerizing. Throughout this entire process, human eyes and hands are still essential. We see quality control experts stationed at several points along the line. They are constantly monitoring the chips, checking their color, crispness, and shape. Any chip that isn't up to standard, maybe it's too dark, too small, or folded over, is carefully removed. This commitment to perfection is what guarantees that the bag you open will be filled with only the best-looking and best-tasting chips. It's a blend of high-tech machinery and human expertise. Finally, we arrive at the packaging line, the last stop on this incredible journey. The perfectly seasoned, quality-check chips are now ready to be bagged. They fall into automated weighing machines, which measure out the exact right amount for each bag with incredible speed and precision. Then, the weighed portions drop into the iconic, branded bags we all recognize. With a puff of air to protect the chips from being crushed, robotic arms seal the bags tightly, locking in all that freshness and flavor. The sealed bags are then boxed, stacked onto pallets by another set of robotic arms, and wrapped for shipment, ready to be sent to stores all over the world. And here we are, at the end of our journey. From a sunrise on the farm to this table, laid out before us. A bowl of golden, crispy, perfectly seasoned potato chips. Hearing that satisfying crunch, it's amazing to think about the incredible process and all the hard work that goes into creating this simple, beloved snack. It's a symphony of agriculture, technology, and culinary art, all culminating in this one perfect bite. So the next time you're enjoying a bag of chips, maybe you'll think of the journey they took to get to you. Thanks for joining us on this behind-the-scenes tour. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. See you next time.